Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Decals. Decals are two-dimensional images that you can apply to three-dimensional objects within Roblox Studio. They are incredibly useful for adding custom textures, signs, and intricate visual details to your creations, bringing them to life. Understanding the various properties of decals will give you precise control over their appearance and exact placement, ensuring your designs look exactly as you envision them. Let's dive in and explore this powerful feature. To begin, you'll need to upload your chosen image files to Roblox. This is done through the Create page on the Roblox website, where they become available as decals. Once in Roblox Studio, simply insert a decal object into any part you wish to customize. Remember to adjust the decal's face property carefully. This crucial step ensures your image is correctly oriented and displayed on the exact surface of your part, whether it's the front, back, or any side. Now, let's customize your decal's appearance. The texture property allows you to easily swap out the image displayed, giving you flexibility. You can control its visibility using the transparency property, ranging from 0 for fully opaque to 1 for completely invisible. Furthermore, adjusting the Color 3 property lets you tint the decal, blending it seamlessly with the underlying part's color. Experiment with these settings to achieve the perfect visual effect for your build. For more advanced designs, consider combining multiple decals on a single part to create complex visual effects or layered artwork. If you need interactive elements or text that always faces the camera, surface GUIs are an excellent alternative to traditional decals. Also, remember that texture objects are often better suited than decals for applying tiling patterns across larger surfaces, ensuring a consistent and seamless look. These techniques will elevate your Roblox creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.